up and raring to go. It's like 9 o'clock. Hi, good morning. Good, how are you? So I'm gonna go check out what's up on the upper decks. I've not been up there hardly at all. We've been going from show to show to show to show to show. And those are all on the deck 6, 7, 8. So I'm gonna go check out on the last day. Go do something.
We're moving through the night like we're from a different star, flying over streets and our broken hearts. But they can't even touch us, we found a different beat. Paradise is waiting and we bought the lead. Ooh, getting caught in the mist, there's so many that never get out of. They're feeding the fears and the doubts. Ooh, but we're golden, we run to the end and we run without shame. We own the game, and we ride on the flames till the morning light, baby, 'cause we're dynamite. Ain't nobody gonna hold us down. Break all the rules, let them run and hide, baby, 'cause we're dynamite. Gonna let the world know. We're dynamite. We're from a different time, yeah, we're of a different breed. 'Cause what we got is timeless, we supersede. And we're holding the key, yeah, we're tight as can be. We're rolling, just like we preach. Ooh, getting caught in the mist, there's so many that never get out of. They're feeding the fears and the doubts. Ooh, but we're golden, we run to the end and we run without shame. We own the game, and we ride on the flames till the morning light, baby, 'cause we're dynamite. Ain't nobody gonna hold us down. Break all the rules, let them run and hide, baby, 'cause we're dynamite. Gonna let the world know. We're dynamite.
I get to host, but this job, this is why I love this job, right? Because it soothes so many parts of my ambition. I get to host like TV game shows, just without the TV, but it's okay because we do it for us. Deal or No Deal, Family Feud, I love a marriage show, I love it all. We did What's Age Got to Do with it, with the families yesterday as well. So much fun.
Hear me when I say let's make a night to remember. Let's celebrate from now till forever. This time we'll make a night to remind us we only have one life, gotta live it out loud. In another time, in another place, we could be lovers that can be replaced. But I still believe this time we got something. We paved the way on the other side while making plans to live a good life. But something is better than nothing at all. Don't you know that if you walk away, nothing ever change? Hear me when I say let's make a night to remember. Let's celebrate from now till forever. This time we'll make a night to remind us we only have one life, gotta live it out loud.
Alright, but of course you have fun with us, right?
Yes!
So please don't forget, when you go to your house, when you go home, the person who booked this cruise is going to receive a survey on their email. Please fill out a survey and let us know how was your cruise vacation. If you enjoyed the Punchliner Comedy Club, my name is JJ. Okay? If you didn't, my name is Lucy. Okay, also, if you want to follow me on Instagram or Facebook, my page is JJ Carnival. That's JAY Carnival for all of you, okay? Now, this is our 18 plus show, right? So if you're under the age of 18 or easily offended, it's a joke for you. All right, Dad, I will do it. Numero uno. How do you wake up Lady Gaga? You poke her face. I don't care, you're leaving anyway.
First time I'm gonna put my luggage outside, but I'm following the instructions, and it's like it's making me a little nerve-wracked. So anyway, going to put it out there and then hope for the best that it actually arrives to the airport with me. But I do have my underseater and my backpack with me, and then also purchase one of these little crossbody type bags. And so I have a few of my things that I want to keep like on me during the excursion. So anyway, and then yeah, that's it. A little nerve-wracked about it, but we'll make it through. Had a great day, short day. I'm sure this is going to be like the shortest video in history. So, all right. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and give it a like. Don't forget to subscribe. Take care. Have a great day.